Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure your TV either has Chromecast built in or a plugged Chromecast dongle, and that your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open Google Drive on your device and locate the folder or photo you want to show. Tap the photo to preview it. This gives you the full image and quick actions. Next, look for the cast icon in the preview. Use it to begin streaming to your TV, so you can confirm connectivity before proceeding. Now you cast. Tap the cast icon at the top of the Drive preview and choose your TV. The device name will appear if discovery succeeded. Once connected, switch to full screen or start a slideshow in Drive to cycle multiple photos automatically. Make sure you control orientation and zoom from your phone because the TV mirrors those adjustments. If a photo looks cropped, change the aspect ratio or use 2-finger zoom. If you prefer higher resolution, choose the original file in Drive rather than a compressed preview. To finish, stop casting from the cast icon or disconnect on the TV. That cleanly ends the session. If you experience lag, buffering, or low image quality, make sure both devices are near the router and reduce other heavy traffic on the network. Also try restarting the Chromecast or TV. If casting still fails, sign out and back into Google on the app, or use the TV's native Google Drive or Photos app, or plug a USB drive with the images for direct playback as a reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.